a teenage orphan turned Kathakali maestro. The boy had nothing to hope for after he became an orphan at the age of 13. A village boy who lost his mother when he was just 3 years old and father at the beginning of his teenage had not many options before him. But not interested to get into a traditional farmer life, he quit his house in Chelia near Koilandi in Kozhikode district. His passion was to embrace a then less travelled road of performing arts. He walked down the street to the house of the then popular Kathakali artist Guru Karunakara Menon. The boy was Guru Chemancheri Kunjiraman Nair, who breathed his last this morning. Born to Madayangandi Chathukutti Nair and Kinattinkara Kunyammakkutti Amma on June 16, 1916, Guru Chemancheri had his debut performance at Keezhpayur Kuniyil Paradevada Temple in 1930. A born talent, the debut performance was at the age of 15. Later, he mastered the art form under various gurus including Ambu Panikar, Kadathanad Ramunni Nair and Matasheri Kochu Govindan Nair. He also studied Bharatanatyam under Kalamandalam Madhavan Nair, Salem Rajaratnam Pilla and Balachandra Saraswati Bhai. The boy mastered and specialized in the Kalladikodan style of the Kappalingadan Sampradayam of Kathakali and became a legend of this. From the age of 15 to 105, the master performer had a splendid 90 years of successful standing in the traditional art form of Kathakali. A performer, mentor and teacher, Guru Chemancheri had an incredible style emanated from a blend of style of performance. It was Kaumudi teacher of Kannur who initiated Guru into teaching. Kaumudi teacher was famous for contributing her gold jewellery to Mahatma Gandhi during the freedom movement. In 1945, Guru Chemancheri founded the Bharatiya Natya Kalalayam, later established Chelia Kathakali Vidyalayam in his hometown in 1983. Since then, the Guru had trained and inducted hundreds of young and old ones into Kathakali. It was Guru Chemancheri who developed Kerala Nadanam, an innovative dance form. This became popular later. It has been included in Kerala School Youth Festivals as well, which is considered to be the largest youth festival in Asia. As a person, Guru was noted for politeness throughout the life. He had a soft corner for children and empathically communicated with the younger generation. He was very active in life even at the age of 100. And it was quite difficult for his kith and kin to hold him under control from running away to meet old friends and co-artists. Guru used to perform the Navarasas on all stages he was invited. The Guru was bestowed with very many accolades. The Sangeeta Nadaka Academy awarded his contributions with an award in 1979 and later in 1999 with a fellowship. In 2001, he received the Kalamandalam Award for special contribution to art, and in 2002, the Darpanam Natya Kulapati Award. Other notable recognitions include Mailpili Award and Kerala Kalamandalam Kala Ratnam. In recognition of his exemplary contributions to the traditional art, India government bestowed upon him the Padma Shri in 2017. As an artist, when Chemancheri plays the Vesham or role of Lord Krishna, which is one of the most admired of all his roles, the entire audience remains awestruck. His deep-rooted passion for the art form reflected through the mudras or hand signs that had enthralled the audience. Basically, he enjoyed the career of a performing artist. He was active and has been performing on stage on selective occasions till a couple of years ago. His last performance was at Advaita Ashramam in Kolattur in Kozhikode. Swami Chidanandapuri, the head of the ashramam, was a spiritual guru for the centenarian Kathakali maestro. The Kathakali legend asked the Swamiji whether he could perform there once, and incidentally, it was his last performance. A legendary saga in Kathakali ends with the demise of Guru Chemancheri. Pranamam, Guru. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.